Hi, Judy here with a quick video on how to use the IDE 1 online compiler. First thing we do is go to IDE1.com. Okay, you'll see that there's an editor for you to enter your programs into. If you scroll down, you can see some buttons here. You can see this button says choose language when you hover over it. So if you want to change the language to Java or PHP or any of the other supported languages, you can do so. I have it set to C language. Okay. And there's a run button over here. So when you're ready to run your program, you click on this run button. So let's go ahead and copy and paste a C language program in here. And go ahead and run it. Now, the first thing we have to do with this particular program is, you can see there's a scanf statement, and we haven't covered that yet, but what that does is it gets some information from the user that you want the user to type in. This particular program is wanting the user to enter a number. Okay, so the way we do that in IDE 1 is we go ahead and we type the number that we want to use here where it says enter input. So I'm entering 10, and that's arbitrary, but that's what I want the program to run with. Okay, and now I'm going to click run, and it'll take a second. The program will be compiled, and on the next page that you see, you'll see any compilation errors that you might have in your program. If you do have compilation errors, you would click on the edit button to go back and fix any of the errors that you have. If you don't have any compilation errors, then you can scroll down and see that the program ran successfully. And it tells you here that it ran with the number 10 as the input, and standard out is the output of the program. The program first printed enter the number, and then after going through the if block, it decided to print the number as positive. Okay, so that's basically how to use IDE1.com. Now, if you want to use this online application to do your assignments, you can do that as well. What you would do in that case is, if you notice on the right-hand side right here, IDE1.com has actually given us a URL where this program lives now. The visibility is set to public, so anyone on IDE1.com can see your code if they can find it. And if you want to, you can go ahead and give me this URL on the assignment page, either in a note, or you can upload a text file with the URL in a file. And then in order to grade your assignment, I will go to this URL and I will look at your program. I'll run it, I'll look at the output, and I'll be able to grade it that way. So this was just a short look at what you can do with IDE1.com.